Okay, so I don't know what I'm doing or talking about, so bear with me on all this shit. So we've got a lot of the big parts of the wire harness there. So that's going to be this end of the harness that I bought. And this is where you're really going to need to learn how to read your diagram, your electrical diagram. Because it's going to tell you, show you where the green wire runs and the yellow and the black and yellow, the white and black. And then it's going to show you which ones need to go into connector, like this one here, with the red and black and the red and this off kind of brownish, weird one, gray, I think. I think I have that right. Is there the front? Yep, because then we go down. And here we got a ground. Red and black. I think that, what's this orange one? Oh, I see. No, I don't. Yep, the orange one goes to the coil. Then you got this red and black one here. That's going into the harness and down in but to the magneto there. Same with these. So on here, you got your ground coming out of here. Yep, okay. So that's this wire here that's coming out. I think that's the ground. So that's screwed to the frame down in there. So red and black might be the spark or ignition or whatever. I don't understand. This harness has me confused. Probably just because I don't have the other piece sitting out here that connects into it. I think I'm going to have to do some more research on these. See, because I know off the top of my mind here that this goes to the rectifier right there. And I know this is the positive to the battery. No. What is this one? The regulator. Yeah. Battery, yep, I was right on both. It goes to the regulator, battery, and then in the frame, in the harness somewhere through up in there. Then you got this white one here. That is the other one for the regulator. And then we got this orange guy right here. Right, orangey, where do you go? And that's coming out of the CDI unit. The orange one. And also, what do we got here? Red, black, red, white, black. Alright. There's 4 on each of these, 2 on this. Here's the oil pump sensor. Recognize that flat one. That's the other end of this. right there. For that,